Welcome to Sci-Chat Mindset. How do scientists achieve objectivity and universality in their observations? And how are causal links established? Today, video explores how instruments and careful experimental design enable accurate, unbiased scientific insights. Accurate observations are the foundation of objectivity. To avoid overlooking details, scientists define phenomena clearly, maintain written records, and encourage collaboration to verify findings. Bias and assumptions can distort observations. For example, the moon appears larger on the horizon due to reference points, but measurements show it remains the same size. Objectivity requires distinguishing facts from assumptions. Beliefs can shape perception. History shows examples like Schiaparelli's canals on Mars, which were later proven false. Strong preconceptions can lead to misleading conclusions. Scientific instruments like telescopes, microscopes, and imaging tools allow us to observe phenomena beyond human senses. They add quantitative precision, reducing human subjectivity. Anomalous phenomena challenge current understanding, sparking new research directions. Darwin's finches reshaped biology, while cold fusion claims lacked reproducibility, reinforcing the need for rigorous verification. Curious about more scientific methods? Stay tuned to Sci-Chat Mindset for engaging content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.